At Wortham Brothers Roofing, we strive for excellence and work diligently to develop and maintain long-term relationships with our clients. Family-owned and operated since 1986, we specialize in roofing systems and strive for 100% satisfaction to provide you with a beautiful and maintenance-free roof for years to come. Wortham Brothers Roofing realizes your roof is an important part of your home or business investment, so it is our goal to offer you the highest quality installation in the business. Wortham Brothers Roofing is Texas's premier roofing contractor, certified with all major roofing product manufacturers, from tile to steel, composition to slate, and everything in between. Wortham Brothers is all you need. Wortham Brothers Roofing. Integrity, quality, innovation. Call now for a free roof inspection or a quote on your next project.
For a dependable